Or is that too technical of a question for you? Locked to 240. Okay. Bro! How am I even jumping there? I don't even know how I'm doing that. Honestly, I don't even know. Yeah, what's up, H? Thank you for subscribing. Buff blast processing by yourself. Maybe one day. But yeah, the first click hard because I wanted to see where UCBF would be nearly unreasonable. So I made the first jump here so perfect. Like, wouldn't CBF make that easier though? Like, I'm so confused by CBF. Like, some things it makes easier, and then some things are like harder. Like, what?